Guys, good evening. Right now it's about 5 minutes past 7, and today is 16th of February 2021. How are you guys? And I'm hoping that you are all, somewhere connected to me on the YouTube, on the Twitter, or on my Telegram channel. I'm sure you are somewhere or the other connected to me. And I just want to get you on to this video which I posted on 11th of February. Today is 16th February. This was a Thursday, and I said that Nifty or the bank Nifty, both of them are not looking weak to me at all, right? Although that was the same day, when Nifty, this was the day, right? 11th, you see this is 12th, 11th February. This was the day. I made it on 10th. I think I made it on 10th, 11th February. So this is the candle, right? Nifty, this is the candle. This is the candle. I think I made it on Saturday or Friday. Saturday, I think. No, not really. But this was the candle. This is 10th February. So this was the candle. I said I'm not finding Nifty at all weak, right? And I gave a target of 15,300, 15,400. You have a look at it today, it touched 15,400. Not only that, the bank Nifty was looking even more weak, but I was saying, I was just shouting from the roof that it does not look weak to me. This is 11th of Feb, right? This candle that you see, this first red candle, second red candle, this is the candle that was formed on 11th. And I was suggesting that the market is definitely not weak no matter what. And see what happened, see what happened. It went up, right? My target is 3,800. That's where I've put my line, my borders. But today there was a little profit booking pressure, right? When the market reaches to the high, there is definitely a pressure, from the higher levels. So now, there could be a bit of turbulence in the market, because as I expected it to go up, it gave a good breakout, good money has been minted. But now what I'm saying, that I'm finding market to be a bit cautious now, right? So there may be some stocks which are reaching to their very, very high levels. So there people must be booking profits. And there are some stocks which are looking weak to me, and particularly to me, tire sector at this point of time looking little weak to me. So when I say tire sector, let's have a look at what is happening in MRF. So have a look at MRF. It has been under stress, right? And have a look at Apollo tires. It looks pretty weak to me, right? So my first stock which I would like to sell will be Apollo tires below 230, right? This is going to be my level for shorting. And I will be shorting below 230. My stop loss will be somewhere around 5-6 points, and my target could be about 220 or so, right? That's one of my stock. Even its counterpart, Balakrishna Industries, which is again a tire industry, is also looking pretty weak to me, right? So if you have a look, on 9th of February, it was a massive bearish engulfing candle that engulfed a lot of days from the past, right? Just have a look at it, how many days it engulfed. So very strong bearish move appeared on 9th, right? Then it tried to, hold itself. And if tomorrow it breaks this low, right, which is 1613, then I'm expecting another fall of at least 50 points, minimum 50 points fall can be surely expected from Balakrishna Industries, right? So these are three stocks which are out of three, I'm finding Apollo Tires and Balakrishna pretty promising on the downside. Now comes the question of buying, right? So I'm finding this SR Transfin very, very good. So look at the candle that was formed today. It is pretty a strong candle, right? So I'm going to buy it above 5816. We will be buying above 5816 or 5820 with a stop loss of about 50 points or 60 points and a target of about 100 to 150 points. That is going to be our targets, because SRF really, when moves, it gives good momentum in any direction. So when it falls huge. When it moves up really nicely. The second stock that I have on my radar is Tata Chemical, right? Tata Chemical, this is how it is. This was a big bullish candle that was formed on the 9th of February. After that, the stock consolidated for some time, and now it's looking to be crossing its lifetime high, right? And as my personal rule, whenever a stock crosses its lifetime high, at least a 50 at least a 10% move can be definitely expected. So I will expect it to at least, go from here to 640 or so. Right now we are on 16th, and the month is going to be a month of fewer days, like this is February month. So you can go for the March contract, right? And you can hedge it also if you want. Then the other stock that is looking very promising to me on a buy side is Biocon, right? Some people believe that this is a cup and sauce, a cup and handle. I'm not very fond of, this kind of a, what do you say? I'm not found, I don't like to give it a name, but what I can see from here, that the price is shifting in the upward direction, right? Price has been shifting in the upward direction. That's one thing. Second thing is it consolidated for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candles. And see from here, if you notice, at this price the sellers are active, 410 or so. So if this high of Biocon is crossed, which is 418.5, I'm expecting tomorrow itself to at least give us 4 points, right? And then this is going to go and cover up this gap. The 20 points can be expected if market remains positive. So on the buy side, I've given you SRF, Tata Chemical, and third one is Biocon, right? These are very, very promising stocks as of now. And the fourth one on my radar is going to be Kotak Bank, right? And the reason for Kotak Bank is today it tried to cross the lifetime high. You have a look at, this is one resistance, second resistance, and third it closed little below, right? But the fact that price has moved in the upper direction, tried to cross the previous high, if tomorrow it goes above today's high, which is 2050, then I'm expecting at least another move of about 200 points in next 1 month, right? So this is a stock you can keep on your radar. It looks very, very promising, right? So SRF, Tata Chem, Biocon, Kotak Bank, and the last one that I want to give you is this. This is Pidilite, right? Pidilite is also looking very, very promising to me. And if I just draw for you the channel, you'll be able to see that how beautifully this stock has been maintaining it, right? And crossing this channel will give you a good move up, right? So this is how the stock has been maintaining, and I would like to enter above 1800, right? 1800 is a round off figure. Option writers will also be active at this place. So if it goes above 1800, then a target of 1840 can be surely expected, right? So guys, what I was thinking, a lot of new people are joining me. So I was thinking to start from the basics. Whenever I'm going to make the next video, I will inform you what all can you do as a beginner, right? What all can you, how can you prepare yourself as a beginner, right? So that you can at least, when you come into the market, you should be coming prepared, right? So I also want to tell you that this is my Twitter handle where I keep giving stocks. I've given TII India, on which date I have given February 1st. I've given a buy at 825. Today it made a high of 1020. Similarly, I've given ATGL a buy above 392, and it was supposed to hit the upper circuit today, right? So I am holding this position. I will try to show it to you if I could. So what I'm saying, that you get such bank on research, I don't think so you will be able to find it anywhere, right? And here you get it free. You don't have to. See, this is my personal agenda to make people financially independent, right? So remain connected. There are no charges. And please suggest your friends also to join in so that all of us can make money together, right? So I just want to show you that small amount, not huge quantity. I've not bought huge quantity. I've bought this small quantity. Small quantity I bought. How much money I must have. Buying cost was only 57,000 rupees, right? And I'm in good profit of 24%. And that to be, I have bought it at the same time, right? Because I managed to buy it at 398. Market value right now is 72,000 rupees. So, this is all passive income. Only thing is you need to learn about the market, right? I have bought this stock. I have bought, I keep booking profits as well, but have a look at IFL, which I've given on 26th January. In almost 10 trading sessions, it has made your money double. That's what this is all free. There is nothing, no gyan on my channel except pure stocks, right? I only give you stocks which you can actually, from where you can make money, right? This is what I really do. So anyway, I am also requesting you to be present on my Telegram channel, which is where I give the stocks in the live market. This is where you make, you get the fresh stocks. Like I have given yesterday, one stock, Adani Green, right? Adani Green is what Wakrangi is also, which I've given, right? Wakrangi I have given yesterday at 58, and Wakrangi, if you see today, made. So this is how Wakrangi is, right? I've given it at 58. It made a have 61. Not bad, 6% move, and that to be in a day or two. So you get all these on my channel, right? This is what you get on my channel, and absolutely free. You don't have to pay, you don't have to do anything. Just you come here with your friends. See here, Adani transmission, right? I've given Adani transmission. So this is all such a refined research people will not give you. Look at the blast, right? Adani transmission, I have given a buy at 605, and look at what high did it make today, 786, and this was given yesterday, right? This was given yesterday. I have given a buy at, this was yesterday or the day before. This was given on 12th, right? Today is 16th, and look at what high it has made today. Yeah, it was given. So remain connected, and I might really want you to also refer your friends so that they can also be making good money along with us. And guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not, and please share my YouTube channel with others so that all of us can make money together with bang on analysis. I'm working for you, right? I'm trying to give you the best research that I can. And all the best, guys. Remain connected, and hope to see you soon anywhere, on my Telegram, on Twitter, on my YouTube channel, wherever you want. But remain connected, and the levels of these stocks will be given on the channel. So watch me tomorrow morning live on the Telegram channel. Bye bye. See you. Take care.